Watch out for companies saying they sell trophy truck lift kits, because if the shocks don't look like this, it's not a trophy truck lift kit. So what Larry's building right now. Headed home right now from the March 2025 lifted van meet. But before I go home, I'm gonna visit Larry at Action Van Suspension. See what he's up to right now. I see a couple of vans in the parking lot. Let's check it out. Let's see what's here. High top roof right there. That looks like two 4x4s right in front of us. Ask him what he's up to. There you go, a couple of vans right there. Sportsmobile. Yeah, V10. Hey Lyndon, I got you your decal. And Larry found one of the early lift kits called J-Flame. So your stock shocks mount to this, and your stock radius arm mounts to this. So this is like their weird drop bracket for their radius arms. So Larry kept this in the basement.
So they're bolting it up like that and like that.
So there you go. There's a comparison. There. So you take the stock radius arm and then put it here. That was the J-Flame.
Yep.
And then you made your own bracket. So your own modified radius arm, and then you have the ultimate kit custom radius arm. There you go, guys. A little lifted van history. Whoever's coming for a lift kit. There's some of Larry's stuff right here. Is that the Ryan ladder right there?
Yep.
Nice. There you go, Ryan. There's your ladder in a shop, man. There you go. Bye, Moto. Bye, buddy. See you guys next time. Watch out for companies saying they sell trophy truck lift kits, because if the shocks don't look like this, it's not a trophy truck lift kit. So what Larry's building right now.
It's, all that stuff, none of that stuff stock.
There you go.
Silver steering that we're just mocked up right now.
I-beam front end, just like the vans. We'll keep this updated, see what this turns into. Right there. Look at the size of these shocks, man. So Ryan and Sebastian has been out to the races to watch Larry. Here's this car right here, roll cage. I think this one's getting lifted next week. If this is your van, let me know in the comments section. All right, headed home now. There's Larry's van. When my lifted van meets were pooling 5 people, Larry showed up to them, and he didn't bring any cameras. It wasn't for social media. Larry doesn't have an Instagram or a YouTube channel. He should though. But he wanted to support us, and he wanted to thank me for being fair to his company in my lift kit reviews. So that meant something to me. I'll never forget that. Another person I want to give a shout out to is a Bigfoot 4x4 on Instagram. In life, I see how life works. When someone has a big following, they don't tend to uplift others because they want to keep their following big and keep others down. Not Bigfoot 4x4. So he's someone I really respect as well. And Wasatch Overland reached out to me, and thinking about that high top roof.
Yeah, woo!
Yeah, buddy.
Larry's off-road recovery.
Larry helped me get unstuck, and I bought a Well-Tech last time. What a great guy.
Honestly.
Yeah.
Got Mr. Action Van here helping us Get out of a rut we got stuck in.
He got out of it, so. This is a good video.
He needs to complete his 4x4 conversion.
Yeah, it's 3x3, right?
No, does the front move or not? Is the front connected? No.
No drive shaft.
When you're ready to go 4-wheel drive, let's get the transfer case.
Per gallon.
Straighten out his wheel? Yeah.
Give it the beans. There you go. You got traction. Other one. Mine will. Yeah. Woo!
Yeah, buddy.
Larry's off-road recovery.
Larry helped me get unstuck, and I bought a WTF last time. What a great guy.
Honestly.
Yeah. He was like,
He'd still help you.
He still helped me. He didn't leave me there.
This is sick.
He hooked the toe strap onto me, man.
Let's get your boards out.
We didn't lose it. A lot of times these get lost.
Yeah, they get dug under.
Yep.
You're supposed
I forgot to add the string.
They had a strip, yeah.
This guy needs to hook up his 4-wheel drive.
Woo! Woo! Larry.
Alright, here's my Ford Econoline lifted. I dropped it off on Monday and picked it up Tuesday. I left it overnight at Full Tilt Off-Road. They also own Action Van Suspension, and they're the guys who designed the kit for this vehicle. So I figured they should install it.
I got this van on February 24th, 2020, and for almost a year now I've been talking about wanting to get a lift kit for this van. I had a lifted 1992 Ford Econoline with a 5.0 V8 Action Van suspension, and that thing was a lot of fun. It was really hard for me to let go of that van, but it was nickel and diming me. So I got this van, and this second go around I wanted the extended model with the V10. I wanted the power. This van has all the power that I want, and with the lift it's gonna be sweet. I can't wait. I'm set to get my lift kit installed on March 4th. I'm at WTF right now.